Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode of Ljs Garage. And so what I've got planned for this week is I'm gonna actually upgrade these headlights because this car came stock with the halogen headlights. Basically, whoever purchased this car before me didn't choose to do with the lighting package. And so it's a shame to me. And so it's one of the first things that I'm gonna change, and it should make a huge difference on this car. And so I was at work earlier this week when I got a message saying that my package has been delivered. So I wanted to show you guys, how stressful it is being a car guy waiting for your packages to arrive in the mail. So check it out. I was just at work and this is what happened. This guy again? What the? Oh, my package? Yes! Boss, I gotta go. I gotta go now. Better have a damn good reason this time, pizza guy. I may or may not have eaten a Tide Pod, and I gotta go. I gotta go now. Again? Again, pizza guy? Get out of here. Alright, thank you, boss.
A few moments later.
So I got a little excited and I wanted to make sure that everything looked good before I pulled the box out and then come back and see that I got broken headlights. So we're gonna pretend like this is an unboxing. So check out these cool headlights. Kind of big there, but they got the little black housing. Halo lights right there. Pretty cool. So yeah, in the next video, I'm actually going to install these, and it'll be pretty cool because I think it's going to make a big difference on the car. It's going to give that nice luxury look and nice little aggressive feel to the car, and it's going to be something that I look forward to. It's one of the upgrades I've been dreaming of when I was going to get this car. So stay tuned. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave some comments. Let me know what you guys are interested in seeing. But thanks for stopping by.